Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix WhatsApp not recording any audio or voice messages. So let us guide you through it. So guys, let's assume you're trying to send an audio or voice message to one of your contacts, but WhatsApp keeps telling you that you can't record it and it can't save nor send any of your audio messages. It's working for me right now, guys, but I stumbled upon that problem or issue in the past. So let me show you how you can fix this if you're experiencing this. So what you will need to do basically, guys, is turn off or shut down the WhatsApp application on your Android or iPhone. And after that, head over to your phone settings. And here in your phone settings, head over to apps and notifications. Of course, the name of this section may vary depending on your operating system and its current version. For me, it's apps and notifications. And here tap into WhatsApp. And after that, tap into permissions here. And all you need to do, guys, is make sure that you have given WhatsApp the permission to use your microphone, of course. If that's not the case, simply enable or toggle on microphone here to the right, and that should give WhatsApp the permission to record your voice and audio messages so that you can record them in WhatsApp and send them to your contacts. That's at least what fixed the issue for me. Please let us know in the comments, guys, if it did also for you. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.